My stomach growls make me lose aura. This happened a few years ago when I was at a very nice, very quiet coffee shop trying to be a productive writer. I was completely absorbed in my work, sipping my latte, when suddenly my stomach let out the loudest, most aggressive growl I have ever heard in my entire life. It wasn't a gentle rumble, it was a full-volume public declaration that I hadn't eaten a proper breakfast. The worst part? The entire shop went silent for a beat. I could feel every single person turn their head toward the source of the noise. I immediately felt my face flush bright red and tried to subtly sink lower into my chair, pretending the noise had definitely come from the person next to me. To my horror, the barista who was wiping down the counter looked straight at me, grinned and yelled out, "Sounds like someone needs a muffin."